This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to insert shape effects in presentation. To insert shape effects we will follow the given steps. First we will double click on the shape to select it. Then viewers, you can see that the format tab appears, and then we will click the shape picture styles group. From here we can select any kind of the picture effects. Like in this case we will select this one having shadow, and we will also insert shape styles. So here we can see that we have a text, and from the format tab we can go to the shape effects option, and from here we can apply a visual effect to our text. Like from here we can select this one, and we can also apply shape styles for subtitles. Like if I select the subtitles and click at the format tab, then viewers, you can see that there are multiple colors are available, multiple shape styles are available. So we can select this one in our presentation. It makes our presentation more attractive and more graceful. So viewers, the second topic I would like to discuss today is how to align the text or images in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We can easily change the position of your text and images in the presentation. To align any text or image, we will follow the given steps. First, we will double click on the text placeholder or image to select it. Then the format tabs open. Then we'll click at the align button. So first we will read the definition of the alignment, that is align the edges of the multiple selected objects. You can also center them or distribute them evenly across the page. So we'll click on this button, and from here we can align center, or can align left, or can align bottom, view, distribute vertically, and align top. We can apply multiple alignment options right from this align button, from the arrange group in the format tab, and even we can choose and click the options you want to apply. The selected text or the image appears according to your choice. So the next topic is to rotate an image. So you can see that just below to the align button is the rotate button, so it rotates or flips the selected object. So when we click on it, viewers, you can see that we can rotate the image or object vertical or horizontally, flip it vertical, flip it horizontal, and when click on the more rotation options, then you can see that we have multiple different types of rotation. We can even increase the size and the width of the image. We can increase or decrease the height and rotation as well. So the scale for slideshow is 640/480, so we will change the size of the object as well from here, from the resolution option in the scaling group. So we will select this one, and we'll decrease the height. So viewers, you can see how it is done by using the rotate option. Just from the arrange group in the format tab, we can change the rotation of the object like this. So thanks for watching, and that's all.